Bryntirion, a house on the hill. Built in 1905, one of the earliest and most impressive homes built in the district. A perfect glimpse into yesteryear. But now mixed with today's modern wants, this 4-bedroom home has been beautifully renovated throughout in keeping with tradition. Along with a luxury swimming pool, pool house, basketball court, and a new fully lined 18 by 10 metre shed with office, this once in a lifetime property is now for sale. Positioned on a glorious established acre, it's an honour to present to the market 374 5th Street, Merbein.